Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best stroller from Evenflo, the Evenflo Pivot Xpand Modular Stroller in Sabino Gray. Whether you're a parent on the go or looking for a versatile stroller that grows with your family, this stroller is designed to meet those needs with style, convenience, and functionality. Right out of the box, the Evenflo Pivot Xpand impresses with its modular design. This stroller easily converts from a single to a double, accommodating 2 toddlers or an infant car seat and a toddler without needing any tools, adapters, or extra parts. The expansion system uses a simple slide and lock mechanism that lets you adjust the frame in seconds, which is perfect for busy parents who need a quick solution when their family grows. The toddler seat itself is highly adaptable. It transitions into a lay-flat carriage mode, providing a comfortable space for your little one to stretch out, nap, or relax. Plus, the seat is reversible, allowing your child to face you or face forward depending on what's best for the moment. The canopy is adjustable with 3 height settings, so it can grow alongside your child, protecting them from sun or wind as needed. One of the standout features of the Pivot Xpand is its smooth ride. It comes equipped with large cruiser tires that include front wheel swivel for easy maneuverability, along with rear wheel suspension that absorbs bumps and rough terrain. This combination ensures that walks around the park or city streets are comfortable for both you and your child. Storage is another strong point. The stroller's extra-large basket expands to over 2 feet in length and is accessible from both the front and back, making it simple to grab essentials like your diaper bag, snacks, or toys without disrupting your child's comfort. When it's time to head home, the stroller folds compactly and stands on its own with the toddler seat still attached, saving you hassle and space. In terms of compatibility, the Pivot Xpand works seamlessly with Evenflo's LightMax infant car seats without the need for an adapter. For parents who prefer other brands, the stroller can also accommodate several models using the Evenflo infant car seat adapter, which is sold separately. There are plenty of additional accessories available, including a second seat, stroller rider board, snack trays, and even a market basket to customize the stroller to your specific needs. Safety and comfort have been thoughtfully integrated as well. The stroller features a flip-flop friendly brake system that locks the wheels securely, making it easier and safer to get your child in and out. A peekaboo window in the canopy lets you keep an eye on your baby while pushing, and the adjustable handlebar with 4 height settings ensures a comfortable grip for parents of different heights. The removable bumper bar adds another layer of security and convenience. Constructed from durable metal and 100% polyester fabric, this stroller is built to last through all the adventures you'll share with your child. The Sabino Gray color is stylish and neutral, fitting well with any parent's taste. To sum it up, the Evenflo Pivot Xpand Modular Stroller offers an outstanding balance of adaptability, comfort, and convenience. It supports your child from infancy through toddlerhood and beyond, expanding as your family grows without compromising on quality or ease of use. If you're looking for a stroller that can keep up with your active lifestyle and provide a smooth ride for your little ones, this is definitely a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Evenflo Pivot Xpand, make sure to subscribe for more honest and in-depth product reviews. See you next time.